Hello, everybody. Have you heard that there's widespread election fraud happening by the Democrats? Well, I'm a Democrat, and I'm going to show you how that's happening. Well, as you can see, it involves a typewriter. And why is this, you may ask? Well, there's so many security layers on modern computers that if we tried to run these commands on an actual computer, it would never actually get through the security. So what we have to do is write it on a typewriter, scan it into a computer, and because of the old codes that they wrote back in the 80s, the assumption was that no one's ever going to hack a typewriter, so they didn't put much security in, so we can bypass all that modern stuff. So we need to be logged into the Board of Elections account, and what we do to ensure that we have complete access is we start off our command with sudo, S-U-D-O, super user do. That guarantees we can pretty much do anything. Now, the first thing we need to tell the computer is what things we are going to be modifying. That would be elections 4 and elections 5. You see, they've just kept on to the old parties. They're still registered, and so elections 1, 2, and 3 are the Federalists, the Anti-Federalists, and the Whigs. So that's why the Democrats are E4 and the Republicans are E5, elections 5. And now we have to give it some values and tell it which part of the country we're looking at, and we set that up with the values right here. So that would be, in this example, we can do QH5 NC6. Now, I'm not going to tell you what every single one of these do, obviously, because the process is a little bit secret still. I'm not supposed to be recording this, but I'm sure you can pretty easily figure out that NC6 refers to North Carolina. So that's the vote total that we're going to be manipulating right now. And then what comes after this is just more codes to override the different security features, more things to get around the system and hack in so we can actually apply these changes. And that would be, for this particular thing that we're looking to do right now, that would be B, E, 4, N, F, 6. And then the one that actually applies the changes, QX and F7. This is basically like pressing F7 on your keyboard on a computer. Obviously, this typewriter doesn't have function keys, so it's the closest we can come. Then after that, we put a hashtag that says end of command. And then you can see the final command. That's what it's going to look like. And what we can do is we can take this out of the typewriter, scan it into the computer, and as soon as that command runs, the vote totals have been changed.